625, highlighting difference makers in Arkansas is one of our many missions at THV 11. This morning, some new inductees bringing free medical care to hundreds of people in need. The Stewpot is our next Prescription Arkansas in our partnership with Baptist Health.
Do you cough anything up?
Cordelia Williams hasn't seen a doctor in months.
Does that hurt for me to poke on you down here?
She suffers from shoulder pain and her hands occasionally get numb. Williams is one of the thousands of Arkansans without health insurance. She works 3 jobs just to get by.
And it's not easy, but you got to do what you got to do.
This doctor's visit, though, is free thanks to Baptist Health. Dr. Blake Shear has been volunteering with the Stewpot Wellness Clinic for 10 years.
We have several patients who are pretty regular, and we know who they are, we know their story.
And you've probably driven by before, not realizing the good coming from First Presbyterian Church in downtown Little Rock.
I think people who legitimately want help will come through and ask for it.
For 17 years, Baptist has partnered with the church to help others. They mostly treat acid reflux, colds, respiratory problems, and high blood pressure. There's also a pharmacist here providing medications.
The population in the clinic need continues to grow.
Teresa Connor is the community outreach manager for Baptist and says they see 800 patients a year. All of the costs are factored into the hospital's yearly budget.
These people, generally they would probably go to the ER, but we are here to prevent some of that by providing preventive services.
Before they see the doctor, they can eat a hot meal provided by the church. For many, this lunch is the only food they'll have all day. It's help folks like Cordelia Williams is thankful for.
I think it's great. I think it's great. It's a lot of help and everything. People like me, for instance, don't have insurance. The job doesn't have any insurance or anything.
Medical difference makers.
Do you wake up in the middle of the night?
On a mission to bring hope to Arkansans down on their luck. And during the hot summer months, the clinic hands out bottled water. There's also a clothing closet for people to get free clothes. Stewpot is open every Friday from 12 to 2.